All right, welcome. We're taking a look at number one from 5.3. So the strange thing about 5.3, this first problem, is that usually we pick, when we're t-charting or doing a table, we pick x values and substitute them in. But on this one, since we've solved explicitly for x in terms of y, we actually want to pick y values to substitute in. That way we can find the x. Okay, so it's a little different. Now, the nice thing about plugging in or substituting in negatives is that when you have a negative exponent, it flips the fraction and turns into a positive exponent. And 3 divided by 1 is just 3. So this is going to become 3 squared, which is actually kind of pretty. So normally negative exponents, aren't students' favorites, but when you have a fraction like this, where there's a 1 in the numerator, it actually turns it into something nice. Okay, so we're going to flip 1 over 3 and make it 3 over 1, which we just found out is 3. And it's going to be raised to the positive first now. So these came out pretty good. All right, and then anything to the 0 power is 1, except for 0 to the 0. Okay, so that's going to be 1. And then, of course, 1/3 to the first is just itself. And 1/3, to the second. Well, 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. So we got 1/9. Okay, so let's go over and graph these. So let's see, 9 comma -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. -2 would be like right there. So this is 9, and this is -2. All right, 3, -1 would be right here. There's our 3, there's our -1. 1, 0 is right here. A third, comma 1, so a little bit up 1. And even smaller, a 9th, comma 2. I'm just kind of faking these a little bit, you guys, because no one's going to be able to tell 1/9 when you're graphing it. Anyhow, we know that these have asymptotes, right? Vertical asymptotes. And so I'm going to go ahead and draw that vertical asymptote. I'll do it in red so it can really pop here. All right, and so our graph should look something like this. Something like that, okay? So let's go see if we can pick that out of a lineup here. Well, the one that looks the closest would have to be D because it's respecting the asymptote, right? This one crossed over the asymptote. It has the correct shape, but looks like D is going to be the winner. Let's check it out. Awesome. All right, you guys, hopefully this helps you out with problem 1 on 5.3. Take care.